Jumbo everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atina. If you're new here, welcome. So guys, right now we are going to the center of this village. We are going to buy some sauce, fish and everything. I don't know others, but we are going to the center. I'm going to show you this old village doesn't have shops like in my village. These people struggle. For me, I feel like they are struggling because we have to walk for like 1 hour to get to the shops. So let's go right now. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from this video. They are leaving me, guys. I have to run and find them. So we're going to the market. That is Joyce waiting for me. Not market. We are going to the center, to the shops. It's not a market. So let's go together. Next time, guys, when I come to this village, when I come back to Bukedia, Joyce is going to take me to her village where her mom stays, because in this village, the village is called Akwaro. Akwaro. She's married in Akwaro, but her village is in Ngora. So she wants me to come back, and she takes me to Ngora and show me her baby, and her mom, and her dad, and her sisters and brothers. So when you see me back, just know we're going to Ngora. Ngora. Not Akwaro. Guys, my pronunciation is not good. Yeah, but right now we're going to the center. Guys, a group is right there with flowers on her head, and up here is there. We're going to the center to buy sauce for dinner and for the rest of the week. For supper, yeah. You see, guys, our scenic roots. That plantation is for cassava. The dress is falling, eh? Because it's big on me. I don't know if our root will make it. What? To the center. Walking. Because no one is going to carry your root. No one. We are going to just leave you. If you get tired on the way, you just sit there. We'll leave you. Remember me, Almighty God, remember me. So that song, I learned it from Joyce. Huh? Yes, I'm going to come back in July. Oh, in July, you'll be having dinners. You'll be harvesting dinners. I'm coming back for dinners and what? In maize. You promised me to cook for me chicken when I go to Kumi. Joyce, what will you cook for me when I go to Ngora? Chicken. Guys, she said she's going to cook for me chicken and fish. Yes, I do eat any type of fish. The scenic looks, guys. Those are the neighbors, distant neighbors, guys. I like the homestay of Iteso people, guys. There is a border coming, so we have to stand before they knock us. Yoga. So guys, in Africa or in Uganda, mostly villages, You can't just pass by people. So you had me saying yoga. That is like hi. You have to greet people. You don't just go far. So the boy is from fishing water. You're from the borehole. Not the borehole. Oh. Appear that dress looks so nice on you. Yes, looks beautiful on you. Even the color matches your skin tone. I had to first say hi to one of the families, so we are passing in the middle of their home. Huh? So we had to first say hi. Oh, guys, this is fun. This is fun. Huh? You see, we are passing in the middle of their home, so we had to first stop and say hi. They are bringing chairs for us plus eats to sit and eat. Is that the center?
Yeah.
Oh, we're almost there. Guys, the center is right there in front. I don't know if you can see.
Not a picky pig.
So guys, when a border is coming in this village, you have to stand on the side. These border like me, and they drive like over how? The cows. Huh? Other cows. So guys, we're almost there, and the sound you hear, that is a church. They told me it's a church. That is my Joyce dancing. That is a Teso dance. Are we going to dance when we go back?
Yes.
So the church is right there, that yellow building. It's a church. So we have to first go to the church and say hi to the people. As you can see, we're going to say hi to the people. Then we proceed to the... We are in the center, but then we proceed to...
A center?
Huh?
A
Aquaro Center. Then we proceed, after saying hi to the people, then we proceed to what? To buy the things which brought us to the center. That is Joyce already in the mood. That's outside the church. We're going to the church.
No.
Happy. There's some food at this church. Huh? Is that a primary school? Oh. So guys, down there it's a primary school. Government primary school. It's called Aquaro Primary School. Aquaro Primary School. It also has a church. These houses are for teachers. So now we're going to buy the things which brought us to the city center. Aquaro Hospital.
Yes.
Government hospital, guys. It is right there.
Health center.
Health center.
Health center.
Aquaro. This is where Chris came.
What?
No. I went there to her place, and they told me she's at the hospital. Yeah. Finally, we are at the shop. They have the shop. Yeah, they sell clothes. Then the saloon. So guys, Apio wants to first comb her hair. Then me and Joyce are going to first buy for sauce. Where are you?
Nothing.
Where are you going to buy the?
There.
They don't have.
Yes.
Guys, we worked for nothing. They don't have the sauce. Oh my goodness, what are we going to eat for dinner? There is no sauce, guys. So we worked for 1 hour just to find a disappointment of no sauce. Wow. Let's go to the salon. Yeah, I saw hard. The rain found us on the way. We are going back home right now, but the scenic loot is no longer scenic looting. It says a disaster. Huh? I see the route. See? Wow. And it's already dark. Huh? Not even getting dark, but it's already dark. Huh? We have to walk back home. The rain looks like it wants to continue raining. Guys. See? But just know the scenic route is no longer scenic route. It's a disaster route, and it's the only route you can use back home. So guys, I think this is the end of the video. Let's continue with our disaster route. this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe.